When you build AI agents in Python, you will soon find out the agents might need external tools to enhance their built-in knowledge. Let's look at a common problem we have in this example. Over here, we have created an agent without any tool, and we want the agent to search the web for information. Since the AI agent we created here doesn't have any tool to search the web for real-time information, let's look at what happens when we run the file. So I'll go to the terminal and run the file. From the model's response, you have noticed here it was unable to browse the web for real-time or live information, and the answer it provided is based on its built-in knowledge as of October 2023. Let's go back to the code again and change the prompt. Instead of searching the web for language models, I will say what is happening in USA. You have noticed we get a similar problem from the response of the model. It wasn't able to retrieve real-time information from the prompt we specified. We can go back to the agent's definition and give it a tool to search the web for live or real-time information. So over here, I'm going to paste this. In this example, we have the agent created with file data, and over here we have specified an external tool. So we have given Tavily as the external tool. Using Tavily, you can connect any LLM to search the web for real-time or live information. To start with the example I want to show you, you should create a Tavily account by clicking the Get Started button. Once you create an account, you get a default API key. So this is required in order to access the service through the file data agent. So I copied the default API key. Next, I'll go back to Cursor. Over here, what we need to do first is to install the Tavily Python package. And with the Tavily API key I just copied, I can put it here and export it with this command. Also, we have to load the API key in this file. So if I go to the Files Navigator, I have stored the API key in the .env file. Next, as I told you previously, we create a new agent and specify the tool as Tavily tools. I'm going to run the file again. You have noticed here, the model was able to search through the Tavily API, and we have an up-to-date result, and also links to where the information were obtained. Let's clear the terminal again and change the prompt. I want to ask about the weather in my current location, that is Helsinki, Finland. I will save the changes and go back to the terminal and run the file. From the model's response, you have noticed here we now have real-time weather information